Good morning and welcome to the 30th Annual General Meeting of Linc Limited. I am Dipankar De, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company. Few words about the meeting. As per the circulars issued by the MCA and Securities and Exchange Board of India, this meeting is being conducted over audio-visual means. All members who have joined this meeting will be in mute mode by default. On commencement of the Q&A session, the name of the members who have registered themselves as speakers will be announced sequentially, and the host will give appropriate access to the participant member to speak. The company does not have the designated chairman. Hence, pursuant to Article 96 of the Articles of Association of the company, we have to appoint a director as the chairman of the meeting.
I propose Sri Deepak Jalan to the chair.
I second. Now over to Managing Director, Mr. Deepak Jalan.
Thank you for inviting me to the chair. I take the privilege of extending my heartiest welcome to you all at the 30th Annual General Meeting of our company. Our directors, Shri Anil Kochar, Shri Naresh Pachisia, Shri Sanjay Jhunjhunwala, Ms. Supriya Nevard, Shri Mohat Kampani, Shri Rajneesh Rikhi, Shri Alok Jalan, Shri Rohit Jalan, and Shri N.K. Dujari are attending the meeting from their respective locations. Shri Dipankar De, Company Secretary, Shri Vikas Gorar from Messrs. Singhi and Company, our statutory auditors, and Mr. D.C. Sahu of Messrs. D.C. Sahu and Company, Secretarial Auditor of the company, are also attending the meeting. The register as required under the Companies Act 2013 is available for inspection during the meeting. The quorum being present, I call the meeting to order. The company has received 3 representations under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013. Since the notice convening the meeting, director's report, auditor's report, and annual accounts have been circulated. With your permission, we can take them as read. Good morning, shareholders and colleagues. It is my privilege to welcome you all to the 30th Annual General Meeting of Linc Limited. As we review the performance of FY24, it is important to acknowledge that while our revenue growth was modest at 3.1%, the year was nonetheless a significant one for our company. We crossed an important milestone, achieving over 500 crore rupees in revenue, a testament to the strength of our brand and the hard work of our team. A key contributor to this achievement was our Pentonic portfolio, which stood out with an impressive 21% growth over the previous year. Today, Pentonic products account for 31% of our total revenue, reflecting the growing popularity and market acceptance of this range. On the export front, we did face some challenges, with revenues declining to 92 crore rupees compared to 101 crores in the previous year. This was primarily due to the geopolitical reasons in 2 of our significant export markets. While these setbacks affected our overall performance, we remain confident in our long-term strategy for these markets and are actively working to overcome such challenges by developing alternative markets. Despite the revenue challenges, we maintained our profitability with a PAT of 34.1 crore rupees, which was 8.9% lower than the previous year. This decrease was mainly due to lower revenue growth and higher overhead costs. However, our commitment to returning value to our shareholders remains steadfast, and the board has recommended a dividend of rupees 5 per share, maintaining the same level as last year. I'm also pleased to report that Linc continues to maintain a zero debt status with a net cash balance of rupees 13 crores as of March 31, 2014. This strong financial position provides us with the flexibility to invest in future growth opportunities and navigate any uncertainties that may lie ahead. FY25 Quarter 1. Looking ahead to FY25, the first quarter showcased decent growth, though slightly below our expectations. The company's operating income increased by 14.2%, rising from 111.88 crores in Quarter 1 FY24 to 127.75 crores in Quarter 1 FY25. Our PAT for the quarter improved by 13.3% to 8.37 crores, up from 7.39 crores in the same quarter last year. As a result, our EPS stood at 5.63 rupees compared to 4.97 rupees in Quarter 1 FY24. Pentonic continued its stellar performance, delivering a remarkable 28.6% year-on-year revenue growth, contributing 39.6% to our top line in Quarter 1 FY25. This extraordinary performance was bolstered by significant contributions from our corporate sales segment. Additionally, we saw a strong rebound in our export business, with revenues growing by 26.3% year-on-year. This growth was primarily driven by the robust performance in the new markets we have recently penetrated. Future initiatives. Looking ahead, we are committed to continuing our premiumization strategy, which has delivered solid results over the past few years. This approach, fueled by product innovation and evolving consumer preferences, has significantly increased our revenue from writing instruments priced at rupees 10 and above, from 20% in FY18 to 62% in FY24. This shift has also boosted our average realizations from rupees 3.65 in FY18 to rupees 5.67 in FY24. We are particularly excited about the recent launch of the Pentonic Evo, a cap-type gel pen priced at rupees 30. This is just one of the high-value products we plan to introduce this financial year, and we are confident that the nationwide rollout of these products will not only elevate our average selling price, but also expand our Pentonic portfolio, capturing a larger share of this critical market segment. We acknowledge the challenges that come with international expansion, including foreign exchange fluctuations, tariff barriers, and geopolitical uncertainties. However, our strong foundation and strategic approach position us well to navigate these obstacles and drive sustainable growth in our export business. While growth in our Delhi range has been slower than anticipated, we are taking the lessons learned to guide our expansion into adjacent product categories. We have ambitious plans for products like glue sticks, geometry boxes, rulers, Play-Doh, mechanical pencils, and markers. This is just the beginning, and many more innovations are in the pipeline, aiming to significantly broaden our total addressable market and drive sustained long-term growth. So far, our acquisition in Kenya is concerned, as you know, it has been about a year since we acquired a majority stake in Gelex Industries Limited, Kenya. This strategic investment is proving instrumental in expanding the distribution of our Pentonic range across Kenya and into neighboring African countries. While the ramp up of operations has been more gradual than initially anticipated, we are encouraged by the steady progress we are making. We remain confident that by the next financial year, we will achieve significant advancements in our operations, solidifying our presence in this promising region and contributing to the overall growth of Linc Limited. Our subsidiary Morris Linc Private Limited, a joint venture with Morris, a leading global writing instrument and stationery player based in South Korea, has started operations on a modest scale, and we anticipate that this venture will yield better volumes starting from the fourth quarter of FY25. On front of ESG, we remain deeply committed to reducing our carbon footprint and embracing sustainable practices. As a significant step in this direction, we are proud to unveil the Pentonic 75, our latest innovation, a pen made with 75% post-consumer recycled plastic, exemplifying our dedication to environmental responsibility. This milestone makes us the first in the industry to achieve 75% circularity. Our team is also focused on reducing wastage through better resource management. For instance, waste generated during the manufacturing process is reused, recycled, or repurposed. Additionally, we are continuously increasing our use of environmentally friendly packaging materials, helping to prevent the creation of tons of plastic waste. We take pride in fostering a diverse workforce, including a significant number of women and a small number of specially abled individuals. This diversity enriches our company and drives our innovation. Linc's social spending on promoting healthcare, education, and hunger eradication during FY24 was at 2.1% of the average profits. In addition, as a responsible corporate citizen, the company is continuously involved in various other social and charitable activities. Linc has always strived for excellence in governance with a strong focus on long-term shareholder value creation and a commitment to ethical business practices and transparency. In conclusion, I would like to thank the board for their wise counsel and guidance, which has helped us maintain high standards of corporate governance. I also want to acknowledge the contributions of our motivated and committed team of channel partners, distributors, employees, and suppliers. On behalf of the board, I express my sincere gratitude to you, our valued shareholders, for your continued trust in Linc. We remain dedicated to further improving our performance and delivering greater value to you. Thank you. Now I move to the items as set out in the notice. There are 5 resolutions in the notice. The AGM is being held through audio-visual means, and the company has provided the members the facility of remote e-voting for all the resolutions as set out in the notice of this annual general meeting, pursuant to the provision of the Companies Act 2013 and the SEBI Regulations 2015. The period of remote e-voting commenced on 24th August 2024 at 9 a.m. and ended on 27th August 2024 at 5 p.m. Members who have not yet cast their votes through remote e-voting may cast their votes through remote e-voting system on NSDL platform during this meeting. In view of the above, the practice of proposing and seconding of the resolutions is not being done. Resolution number 1, to consider and adopt the audited financial statements, both standalone and consolidated, for the year ended 31st March 2024, together with the reports of the auditors and directors. Resolution number 2, to declare dividend on equity shares for the year ended 31st March 2024. Resolution number 3, to appoint Shri N.K. Dujari, who retires by rotation. Resolution number 4, to approve related party transaction with Mitsubishi Pencil Company Limited, Japan. Number 5, resolution number 5, to pay commission to the non-executive directors of the company up to 1% of the net profit. Mr. D.C. Sahu, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as scrutinizer to conduct the voting process in fair and transparent manner. After conclusion of the meeting, the scrutinizer will count the votes cast and shall submit a consolidated report within 2 days of the conclusion of the meeting. On receipt of the report of the scrutinizer containing the voting results, the same shall be declared and put up on the notice board at the registered office of the company and shall also be placed on the website of the company and shall be forwarded to the stock exchanges where the shares of the company are listed. Members may now raise their queries, if any. Members are requested to be brief and not repeat queries, points raised by earlier speakers. Mr. Dujari, now please allow speakers in Secretariat.
Audible, sir?
Mr. Amarendra Nath Ray. Mr. Ray, you can proceed now.
Respected Chairman, other board of members present, myself Amarendra Nath Rai, an equity shareholder of Linc Limited, joining video conferencing from Kolkata. It is 30th annual general meeting organized by the company through video conferencing. Sir, your wonderful initial speech was informative about our company's performance, and I can feel positive vibes and great heights that will be achieved by our company. Sir, special thanks to our well-experienced, cordial company secretary, Mr. Dipankar De, for giving me an opportunity to express my views, and his secretarial department for sending e-annual report, joining Linc with speaker serial number well in advance. Sir, I have requested for physical copy of annual report 2 times, but still date I have not received. Being a senior citizen, it is very difficult to go through the soft copy of annual report thoroughly. Sir, please send physical copy of annual report at least for the speaker serial holders next time. Company's 239 pages annual report is colorful, exhaustive, self-explanatory, transparent, facts and figures are all in place and adhere to the all norms of corporate governance. Sir, revenue from operation increased in FY 23-24 compared to the previous years, but net profit decreased in FY 23-24 as stood at 34.10 crores of rupees compared to the previous year's net profit 37.39 crores of rupees. Sir, I would like to know what steps taken by our management to increase profit margin and strengthening of the balance sheet. Sir, thanks for declaring dividend of ₹5 per equity share of a face value of ₹10. Congratulations for CSR activities done by our company. Sir, any new product are you going to launch? Sir, as festive season round the corner, any modification or upgradation of our existing gift packaging, share your views. Sir, what is the potential market size and what is our share? Sir, I would like to know how are we adopting digital technology to increase productivity? Please consider planned visit for the attending shareholder. Sir, I have casted my voting in favor of all resolutions. I have full trust on our strong, efficient management. I wish our company's prosperity. I believe under the leadership of our honorable chairman, sir, with the help of directors, officials, and staffs, our company will grow up newer height near future. Thank you for patient hearing. Over to you for further proceeding. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Roy. Second speaker in the CRTM will be Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar. Mr. Sarkar, now you can proceed.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
very good morning. जालन साहब भाई गुड मॉर्निंग. मैं बिमल कृष्ण सरकार, मेरा रेसिडेंस कलकत्ता से बोल रहा हूँ.
Yes.
सर, पहले मैं आपका कंपनी सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट का कंपनी सेक्रेटरी दीपंकर दे को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ, उन्होंने पूरा टीम को. सर, उन्होंने इन्वेस्टर सर्विस अच्छी देते हैं और शेयर होल्डर हम लोग के साथ बहुत अच्छी रिलेशन रखते हैं. कभी भी जाते हैं आपका ऑफिस में तो इन लोग को बहुत खातिरदारी करते हैं, इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सर, इस बार जो रिजल्ट आया है सर, इस बार प्रॉफिट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन 3.1% इंक्रीज हुई है. सर, अदर इनकम भी इंक्रीज हुई है. सर, फाइनेंस कॉस्ट ये भी इंक्रीज हुई है. सर, बहुत बढ़ गया है. सर, प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स सर रिड्यूस हुआ है 8.8%. सर, इसका क्या कारण है सर, थोड़ा बताएंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. सर, कंसोलिडेटेड बेसिस जो प्रॉफिट लॉस स्टेटमेंट में सर 2023 का जो फिगर वो नहीं दिया गया है, जो उसके साथ हम लोग कंपेयर कर सके. सर, ये CSR कमिटी एज पर सेक्शन 135 सब सेक्शन 5 CSR ऑब्लिगेशन थे 38.0809 लाख. सर, हमारा CSR कमेटी ने पूरा उससे भी ज्यादा खर्चा किया है. सर, 39.90 लाख. सर, एक्सेस किया है 1.01 लाख. सर, नेम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट जो है प्रमोटिंग हेल्थ एजुकेशन मिड डे मील एटसेट्रा. सर, वेरी गुड. सर, मेरा आप लोग हमारा कंपनी CSR कमेटी और हमारा कंपनी डायरेक्टर सब लोगों को क्या लुक आउट है जो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए और कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. सर, ब्लाइंड और जो स्पेशली एबल पर्सन, सर, इन लोगों के लिए कोई नहीं सोचता. सर, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा थ्रू CSR एक्टिविटीज इन लोगों के लिए कुछ करें. सर, मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा. सर, दीपक जालन जी, आपका पूरा टीम और सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट उपस्थित जितनी शेयर होल्डर है और जितना कंपनी का जितना एम्प्लॉय है सब सुस्त रहे और हमारा कंपनी को इस तरीके से आगे लेके चलिए. सर, मार्केट प्राइस भी बहुत अच्छी है और हम लोग बहुत खुश है. सर, इस कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर होते हुए भी हम लोग गर्वित है. सर, आप मेरे को बोलने का मौका दिया गया है, इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जालन साहब, आपसे बहुत दिन हो गया, फिजिकल मीटिंग होते तो आपसे मिलते थे, मिल नहीं पाया. सर, कभी भी एक दिन ऑफिस में बुलाए ना, हम लोग जो लोग स्पीकर है एक बार आप लोगों के साथ बैठ के चाय, कम से कम चाय पी के आए. सर, थैंक यू सर, मेरे को बोलने का मौका दिया इसलिए. थैंक यू. नमस्ते.
Thank you. Namaste.
Mr. Subhash Kar, You are the next speaker. Please go ahead. And unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Good
yes. Please
morning,
go ahead.
everyone. Good morning, everyone, and greetings of the day to our respected chairman, sir, and all the board members. My name is Subhash Kaur. I am proud shareholder and a customer from Kolkata. Sir, I am personally using our product and which is well. Chairman, sir, your initial speech was a very detailed one and excellent one. Clearly explained our company's present and future prospect. Sir, I would like to congratulate you and entire management for good performance the financial year 2023-24 in such a volatile environment. Display in our annual reports. It's a really wonderful and informative with fact and figures. Sir, I found that there is excellent corporate governance maintaining by our company. Sir, our company's CSR policy was excellent and giving wonderful dividend and also for achieving various awards. Sir, my sincere thanks to well-experienced, cordial, good behavior, and energetic company secretary, Mr. Dipankar De, and the entire team for giving wonderful investor servicing and registering my name as a speaker. Sir, I wholeheartedly support all the regulation. Sir, some of my question. Sir, I want to know how the market have been the pain category. And why do you have any launches in the second half rather than in the first half of the calendar? Next, sir, we had a 5% growth for FY24. So what was the industry growth for the coming financial year? Next, sir, raw material prices and inflation, how much is affecting us and the step are we taking? Last query, sir. We are investing in new technology through R&D for more customer-friendly product. Nothing to add more. I wish you and the entire team very good health and great success and the prosperities in the coming future. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Madam Lili Pradhan. You can go ahead now.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Very good morning, all chairpersons and all viewers. Myself, Lili Pradhan from Kolkata. First of all, I give my respect to the board of directors, respected chairman, respected MD, respected CFO, respected secretary with secretarial team. As a secretary, Dipankar sir always coordinate with me within all shareholders. Very good, appreciative, personalized human beings. Overall, very good investor services. I am really proud of our secretary Dipankar sir. I received email in notice well in advance, even annual report hard copy also. I wholehearted support all resolution. But I have put some specific question and request on present situation. What is the aim and object of future development in all of our country by AI technology? Nothing more. Thank you so much. With best regard.
Thank you. Yeah.
Mr. Dipayan Pradhan, you can now proceed. Mr. Dipayan Pradhan. You have logged in from two places, so sure which is Mr. Dipayan Pradhan. So we go to the Mr. Dipayan Pradhan, are you there? So we go to the next speaker then. Mr. Manas Banerjee. Mr. Manas Banerjee. Mr. Manas Banerjee.
I am audible, sir. Sir, I am audible.
Audible, yeah, you're audible. Audible, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Respected chairman, sir, present board members, and fellow shareholders. Myself, Manas Banerjee, joining from Kolkata. Chairman, sir, Your speech was informative and helpful in understanding the company's performance and strategy. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations and appreciation to the entire management team for delivering an impressive performance despite the challenging times. Your leadership, strategic vision, and dedication have been instrumental in navigating the company through difficult circumstances. I also appreciate the management team in terms of consistent dividend policy. I already supported all the resolutions by remote e-voting. Now come to my queries, sir. Number one, you had a degrowth in Linc volumes due to strategic initiatives of prioritizing high margin products. On this context, I would like to know where do we want to place Linc Limited in the contribution of our sales in the next 3 to 5 years? My second query is I wanted to understand that what do you see the export contribution going to in the coming years, and also what would your export margins be? And final query is, sir, can you please elaborate on why the Q4 growth was slow? What could be the reasons for this slowdown? Anything you can share? Before I conclude, I convey my gratitude to our respected Company Secretary, Mr. Dipankar De, and his full team for doing a very good investor services. I am proud to be associated with Linc Limited and have confidence in the management team's ability to continue delivering value in the future. That's all from my side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Madam Prakashini G. Sinha. You are there?
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, please
Am
go
I?
ahead.
Yeah. I'm Prakashini Ganesh Shanai from Mangalore. Respected Honorable Chairman, other dignitaries on the board, and my fellow shareholders, good morning to all of you. I received the AGM report well in time, which is colorful, transparent, knowledgeable, informative, and contains all the information as per the corporate governance. I thank the Company Secretary, Mr. Day, and his team for the same. The chairman has given a beautiful picture regarding the company and its working in all parameters. Thank you, Chairman, sir. I'm glad to note that the company is doing well in the field of revenue, sales, PAT, PBT, etc., etc. Congratulations, Chairman, sir. I'm glad to note that the company has done outstanding work in the field of CSR during the year, such as education, health, etc., etc. At the outset, I'm thankful to the board for recommending dividend for the financial year 23-24. Congratulations to one and all for getting various awards during the year. Sir, I have some questions. My first question is, what is the roadmap for next 5 years and capex thereof? And next question is, with the rising price of raw material, what impact it would have on our profitability? And how are we planning to increase the revenue? And next question is, how are we planning for digital future? Who is our brand ambassador for Linc Limited? What is the future plan of the company? Last but not the least, Chairman, sir, my personal request to you, please continue with VC so that people all over will have an opportunity to express their views. For instance, I'm from Bombay and I've just come to Mangalore. Since it is VC, I'm able to express my views. I wish the company good luck for a bright future and pray God that the profit of the company shall reach the peak in due course. Chairman, sir, I strongly and wholeheartedly supported all the resolutions put forth in today's meeting. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Santosh Saraf, you can proceed now. Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf.
नमस्कार।
Namaskar ji.
एक मिनट। माननीय सभापति जी, उपस्थित निर्देशक मंडल के सदस्यगण, अधिकारीगण और कर्मचारीगण, मैं संतोष कुमार सराफ कलकत्ता से आप सभी को राम राम कहता हूँ। आशा करता हूँ आप लोग इस समय अच्छे स्वास्थ्य होंगे। सर मैं 3,300 कर्मचारियों का भी धन्यवाद करता हूँ, आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, जिनकी कड़ी मेहनत का फल है आज हमारी कंपनी इतना अच्छा ग्रोथ रिजल्ट दे रही है। उन कर्मचारियों के साथ साथ उनकी फैमिली का भी धन्यवाद और आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जो सदा उनके बैकबोन के रूप में उनके साथ में खड़ी रहती है सर। सर आपने बैलेंस शीट काफी अच्छी दी है और आपकी डायरी टाइप की बैलेंस शीट काफी अच्छी लगती है हमें और हमें देखने में भी आराम लगता है सर। तो उसमें काफी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, लोगों ने भी काफी लोग पूछे हैं। मैं एक दो चीज जानना चाहूंगा कि आपने अपनी जो एनर्जी ऑडिट आप करवाते हैं तो कितने दिन से करवाते हैं? मैं चाहूंगा कि क्वार्टरली व हाफली करवाई जाए जिससे हमारी एनर्जी कॉस्ट के बारे में हमें पता लगे। एक सर अपने तो प्लास्टिक से रिलेटेड चीज बनाते हैं तो अपने फायर और सेफ्टी की ऑडिट क्या करवाते हैं सर? इसको क्वार्टरली बेसिस पे करिए कि आजकल ये आपके एक्सीडेंट काफी होते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक शॉर्ट सर्किट के, तो इसके बारे में मैं समझता हूँ आपको करवानी चाहिए सर। सीएसआर के बारे में में काफी अच्छा खर्चा किया सर, इसकी भी ऑडिट करवाइए क्योंकि आज का कई फेक एनजीओ आ गए बाजार में जो सीएसआर के नाम पर पैसा तो ले लेते हैं लेकिन प्रॉपर यूटिलाइज नहीं करते, मैं समझता हूं इनकी भी ऑडिट। और सर कार्बन इमिशन के लिए क्या कदम उठाया आपने? लास्ट ईयर कितना कार्बन इमिशन रिड्यूस किया है और आप कब तक जीरो कार्बन इमिशन में आ जाएंगे, इसके बारे में जरूर बताइएगा सर। आपकी फीमेल परसेंटेज काफी अच्छी है, आपने 50% अबाउट फीमेल को अपने काम दिया है, इसके लिए आपका मैं आभार प्रकट करता हूँ और आपके सहे दिल से आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं सेक्रेटरी उसकी टीम का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जो हरदम कोऑर्डिनेट रिलेशन रखते हैं। कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो उनको फोन करने पर हाथों उसकी रिप्लाई उसका सॉल्यूशन प्रदान करते हैं सर। और दीपक जी आपकी भी लंबी उम्र की कामना करता हूँ कि आपकी छत्र छाया में हमारी कंपनी कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गई। आशा करता हूँ कि अगले साल भी और अच्छा रिजल्ट। बस ये है कि सर पे आउट रेशियो आपका 20% है डिविडेंड का, जबकि पहले आप 30-40% तक पे आउट रेशियो आपका था। तो इसको कब तक बढ़ाने का विचार है बताइए? क्या क्या पैसे आप रखे हुए हैं किसी एक्सपेंशन के लिए, किसी एक्विजिशन के लिए, ये बताने कष्ट करिएगा सर। और सर लिस्टिंग में पहले आप ये कह रहे थे, अब तो हमारी लास्ट डेट सेल और फ्लड कंपनियां भी लिस्टिंग में आ गई है, तो उनके कारण क्या हमको कंपटीशन फेस हो रहे हैं बाजार के अंदर, बताने का करिएगा। ज्यादा नहीं कहता हूँ, भगवान से जितने भी हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, जितने भी हमारे कर्मचारी भाई बहन हैं, को मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना को हेल्दी वेल्दी रखेंगे। साथ में सर आप जितने भी हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं और कर्मचारी और भाई बहन की फैमिली को आने वाले इस साल के त्योहार की विशेष देता हूँ। इसके साथ में उनकी लाइफ में जो भी त्योहार आएंगे उसके लिए भी बेस्ट विशेष देता हूँ सर। और सर दीपावली के टाइम में हमें याद रखिएगा, हम भी आपके फैमिली मेंबर हैं। और बीसी मीटिंग जैसे मेरी प्रकाशनी बहन ने कहा है, कंटिन्यू रखिए जिससे बाहर वाले भी कहीं भी रहें, घर पे रहें या घर के बाहर रहें, ये मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते। जय हिंद, जय भारत, राम राम।
Thank you. Thank you, Satulji.
Shri Manoj Gupta. Shri Manoj Kumar Gupta, you can proceed now.
Hello, good morning, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders. My name is Manoj Kumar Gupta. I've joined this meeting from my residence, Kolkata. I feel proud to be a part of Linc Limited, and I thanks to the company secretary and his team to help us to join this meeting through VC. Sir, what's your future plan? And how you will take the company on new heights in coming time to return to the employees and the investors? And I thanks to you for a excellent result of the company for the year 23-24, when our share price will be in 4 digits, sir. And your new brand Pantonic is so popular, and take this brand globally. Just now you have mentioned in your opening remarks that you have appointed distributor in Africa for Pantonic. So you innovate more brands for the students in gel pen and innovate more. And how you face the competition in this year? Your two competitor has listed their shares in the market, Domes and Flair. So what impact will come on our company, Flair and the Domes? So what's your view in that regard? Kindly throw some highlight. Thank you, sir. I strongly support all the resolutions. Sir, I wish to God you a healthy and prosperous, safe, long life to take the company on new heights, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Tarak Nath Chakravarti. Mr. Chakravarti, you can proceed now. Chakravarti, you are there?
Good afternoon. Good morning, Mr. Chairman, Board of Directors, present fellow shareholder, and our valuable company senior secretary, Mr. Desaheb, and proper time delivered our all message website. Then we are joining the VC Linc Industry Limited company meeting. Sir, first thing, company this year, I observe your annual report. Annual report is a very glorious mission, vision, printing, all our segment of company, expected 9 of monumental pillar. The first time of pen industry, the big percent pay the dividend. And not only dividend, sir, minority shareholder always want to say 3 articles: good turnover, good profitability, good pay, dividend. Sir, already 2% you have good maintained. One thing, dividend. Second thing, our minority shareholder, secondary market, your related value. Sir, pen industry, huge competitive market, and our company tried to make this year company turnover over 500 crore. It is not a matter of joke. Naturally, your account is standard, 100% benchmark point, no printing mistake, no regrouping, no other thing. Accounting standard is very good, and you always try to make a cost control and cost reduce. So naturally, this year company is one of the new milestone put the golden year 23-24 or Linc industry. Sir, I know briefly discussion to our speech. Sir, I pray the God, I pray the God, our keep yourself health and enjoy your servicing and all these things. And lastly, I thanks to our company is really very efficient, ability and good manner person, and proper time all our messages are sent delivery, and thanks to my company, very good maintain the WebEx, our company Linc. Thank you. I over to microphone further proceeding to chairman. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak. Mr. Pathak, please go ahead.
Am I audible? Am I audible,
Yes.
sir?
Yeah.
Yes. Good morning, respected Chairman, MD, CFO, Board of Directors, and Company Secretary, fellow members joining at AGM of Linc in India Limited. My name is Ashit Kumar Pathak, joining from Damdam, Kolkata. At first, my esteemed gratitude to our Company Secretary, Mr. Dipankar De, and entire leadership team for sending me the annual report, digital annual report, very well in advance and allow me to speak. Sir, your opening remarks is very prospective to my company's overall performances and very appreciating also. Sir, thanks to my company's management team for achieving 500 crores revenue. That is the very important. I am just congratulating my entire management teams. Profit also achieved near about 34.11 crores. Against all the turbulence we are facing, still we are also in good performance, and also a debt-free company. I just highlighting this. This is a very good achieving. And also cash balance, respected chairman also mentioned near about 13 crores as on 31st March 2024. Also CSR activities nicely achieved near about 0.40 spending. Sir, I have just brief views which I like to share. Share your thoughts, which better percentage of margin we generate from premium products in comparison non-premium products. Where in financial year 24, we launched a Pantonic GRT rupees 440 rupees. And what is mentioned by company's initiative, the 5 principle, one is my companies continue to premiumize offerings and also leveraging premiumization export market also. Share your thoughts about this. And new categories of new products in pipelines in current financial year and price range. Share your thoughts about this. And share your thoughts out our top line and bottom line, we achieved in financial year 24 with our outsourcing Mercury International brands, selling UNI, Delhi, and also revenue cross-selling. Any plan for capacity expansion? I noticed also my company's management team go to capacity expansion near Kolkata, near about 1 lakh square feet and with investment 35 crores. Share your thoughts and present status of this. Sir, what total cost we achieved for acquiring 60% stake in Glex in Industries Limited, Kenya? And what margin we expect at Kenya business? And also total cost entered with joint venture with Maris Company Limited, Korea. Share your thoughts. Sir, how much percentage revenue we earned by brand spending? Where we noticed also we reduced our brand spending also. Near about 11.8 crores from financial year 23, which was 13.8 crores. And also, sir, my view is the Pentonic portfolio will be game changer ultimately, because 35% of our total revenues from Pentonic portfolio, and also we expect the grow 50% of revenue next to 3 years. So share your thoughts our capex program of this portfolio. And as also, what is plans we increase to corporate sales to create a large order in corporate order, because last year corporate was not so we achieved. Sir, any impact in raw material sourcing, higher inflation, volatility of crude, or supply chain disruption in our domestic business as well as international business, whereas the huge logistic charge as present and also geopolitical turbulence. And sir, our capex program in digital marketing for optimizations, inventory management, cost optimization, and automation efficiency. Share your thoughts about our total capex in this platform. And sir, share your thoughts about the distribution strategies in Tier 4 cities, because we have the very value-added products, and there is a huge requirement also Tier 4 city also with our value-added products, and also very comparatively priced than other products also. And also, I pray to God, my company's every management team for excellent financial performance year-to-year basis, and also good health everybody associated to my company. Thanking you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Line will be Madam Meena Bang.
Yeah. Hi, am I audible?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have shared my list of questions just some time back. Do you want me to read them out?
You can reply also, or you can, if you wish, you can read them out also, or otherwise we can reply separately to you. As you wish.
I leave it to you. I mean, yeah, I am okay if you are if you.
So we
think
can
you
reply. So we can reply to you directly.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Mr. Sanjay Banik. Mr. Sanjay Banik, please go ahead.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for providing me opportunity to speak at this AGM, and I congratulate for Linc Limited and its management to provide a good a set of numbers in the past financial years. Sir, I have some specific questions that in our company is not a market leader in marker, highlighters, drawing and coloring products, crafts, mathematical drawing instruments. So, does our company have any specific plan to launch new product in this category? Since we know that DOMS is a market leader in these products, and our company is gaining market shares in pens and writing instrument. But in the annual report, the company projected that the CAGR growth of this product, writing instrument product, is very slow, will be very slow. But in other products like markers, highlighters, drawing instruments, gifting segments, the CAGR growth will be fast. So if does our company has any specific plan to launch new products in these categories? My next question is, some of the products of the company was very good, like Linc stylus and Uniballs, such pens of Uniballs, but these pens are not available right now in any of the market, in either shopping malls or in small markets. So you have to look and plan accordingly to launch this product, relaunch this product. Linc stylus was a very good product, but this is not available right now. My next question is, some of the Unival products are very good, but this is not available in the small markets. And Linc gifting products are not available in the shopping mall and also in the small shops also. So this is you have to look into this matter and relaunch this product. Thank you. Thank you for giving a patient hearing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Sudipta Chakrabarti. Mr. Chakrabarti, you are there?
Am I audible?
Yes.
Very good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Sudipta Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata. A small shareholder of Linc Pen Limited. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, my board of directors, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance to speak something in this platform. Sir, I believe my company is in strong hand and it will perform better to better in coming future. For our directors' honesty, dedication, devotion, and determination. Our company is very investor-friendly company. Always try to give something to the minority shareholder. It's very good for the small shareholder. I just, sir, want to know how can you control your liabilities and interest cost? And how can you implement green energy in your industrial field? And at last, sir, I want to say, please arrange a factory visit for the attending member. Thank you, sir. Our company secretary, Dipankar sir, always cooperate with us. Thank you, everybody.
Next in the line will be Mr. Jaideep Bakshi. Mr. Bakshi. Mr. Jaideep Bakshi.
Yes. Very good morning, Chairman, Board of Directors, and others present in today's video conference. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. Initially, I want to convey my thanks to our company secretary, Mr. Dipankar De, for giving me an opportunity to express my view and maintaining good investor-friendly relations with the shareholders and presenting a detailed annual report, an informative and descriptive one with the flagship products well mentioned in pages 31, and also the initial pages are what preserving. Sir, a good performance and on a revenue from operation has risen, and with the dividend of ₹5 we passed on with these difficult times. Sir, we have acquisition of the Gelex Industries. Sir, any new acquisition plans do we have in the near future, and how are we placed from our peers? And regarding the cost of material consumed mentioned in page number 214, note 27, what are the steps we can think of bringing it down? And sir, expected growth prospects of our company. And sir, the lower towns and cities are now opening up with business. So what is our drive projection to gather more foothold in this area? And new stores, are we planning to open up under the Linc brand with the COFO model? Any such plans like that? And plans to spread our consumer base, we can bank on this coming festive seasons and any tie-up with the leading institutions. And kindly share some thoughts regarding green energy, because this is now the cause of concern, which reduces our fossil fuel also. And nothing to add more. I've supported all the resolutions along with my this family members. And once again, thanks for the CSR activities we have done, where we have spent around 40 lakhs roughly. And that's all from my side. Thank you, sir, and wish all the company good results in the coming years and with handsome dividend. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Takanusha, yes. Yeah, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, it is 11:55. Good morning. I, Atanusha, a shareholder of Linc Limited, which is formerly Linc Pen and Plastics Limited. My respective Deepak Jalanji and all our shareholders, our directors, our independent director, executive, non-executive, and all shareholders, and our company secretary, our Dipankar De, and our company secretarial team, and Duvariji present might be, and our auditor, our scrutinizer, register, and committee, audit, remuneration, and stakeholder relationships, CSR, and risk management committee, and its all members. Today it's 28th, our company organizing its 30 annual general meeting, sir. As far as the previous shareholder, thanks to give me chance to speak, sir. As far as the shareholder, my shareholder already raised number of queries. Right now, I am the 17th shareholder right now. Anyhow, but one thing I wish to know the capex plan till 2027, sir. And if you have any planned visit, our factory visit, sir, my respected Deepak Jalanji, it's really a great pleasure to we get chance to get please and to watch our Deepak challenge like a person. Thank you, sir. I Atanushaha. I wish a good year ahead with good result and good dividend to dividend and good health to every employer. Thank you, sir. Now I forwarding to our company secretary. Thank you, sir.
Sir Gautam Nandi.
Am I audible? Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Mr. Nandi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good morning and namaskar. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, my online fellow shareholders. Myself, Gautam Nandi from Kakurgachi, Kolkata. Very old equity shareholder of your company. Firstly, I'd like to give thanks to your secretarial department for sending me annual report along with notice and necessary joining link through email well in advance. I also received the hard copy of annual report in advance. So specially thanks to our respected company secretary, Mr. Dipankar De, very sober, well behaved, and a very dynamic person, and his whole team of your secretarial department for rendering very good services to our minority shareholders. So thanks again, sir. Sir, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference, and I find it's a grand success like the previous years. Sir, I have received your wonderful annual report, which is very, very informative. You have provided in details regarding your performance of your company in your annual report. Sir, I find very good performance in every segment. Still, the market scenario is very tough, but in this market, we are receiving the very good dividend from your side, sir. We are very happy, sir. Sir, I like to know what is the roadmap for the next 3 to 4 years, especially related to the growth of our company. Sir, how many employees do you have at present, both permanent and non-permanent? Sir, what is the direct and indirect impact on our company after the implementation of Union Budget 2024-25? Sir, the face value of your stock is rupees 10 at this right moment. Is there any plan to split up your stock from rupees 10 into rupees 5 or rupees 2 or rupee 1 in near future? Sir, your CSR is excellent, so please keep it up. Sir, our company is a leading manufacturer and supplier of various types of stationery items in India. But sir, I find in your sector there is a huge competition. How are you able to manage this? Please answer, sir. Sir, are you going to acquire any new brand in this year? Sir, the latest technology is AI, artificial intelligence, at this moment. Now I like to ask you, are you adopting this new AI technology in our company for further modernization? Lastly, sir, do you have any plan to issue right shares to our minority shareholders? Sir, I am very happy and very proud to be a shareholder of your company. I have full trust with our strong management, sir. So, along with my family, wholeheartedly support your all resolutions, which we have already casted through our e-voting. Sir, looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, handsome dividend, if possible, bonus and return. May God bless you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, sir. Namaskar, namaskar, sir. Thank you.
Namaskar. Thank you.
Mr. A.V. Manisundaram. Mr. A.V. Manisundaram, you are there?
Hello. Hello, sir. Are you
Yes.
able to hear my voice, sir? I am Manisundaram from
Yes.
South India.
Yeah. Please go
I'm very
ahead.
glad to attend the meeting by means of video conference. It is a good opportunity. Other states, South India, very happy, sir.
Your voice is cracking actually. There is a call drop from your side. We are unable to hear you.
Or we will come back after this, after one or two speakers, so that this technical issue is resolved. So why don't you join again? So, next speaker is Madam Indrani Chakrabarti. Chakrabarti, you are there?
Am I audible?
Yes, madam.
Very good morning, sir. I am Indrani Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata, a small shareholder of your company. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance in this platform. I casted vote along with my family members in favor of you in this AGM. I believe my company will perform better in coming future. Best of luck to board of director. Nothing more to say. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Sujan Modak. Sujan Modak, you are there?
Hello, this is Sujan Modak. You can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Namaskar.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, respected chairman, other board of directors. Sir, I'm Sujan Modak. I'm attending this meeting from a residence in Kolkata. Sir, first of all, I really congratulate our management for a very good result this year. Sir, it's a very long queue of speakers. My number is 24. Sir, most of the people they have already asked questions, so I don't want to repeat it, but I've got a few questions, sir, please. Page 148, 148, we can see this is a bad debt written off 54.35 lakhs. Could you explain that, sir, if you don't mind, sir? And going global, actually we have gone global. We have gone to Kenya, Glex Industries Limited. Sir, since we are going gone to
Mr. Modak, we are unable to hear you.
Yeah, now you can hear me. Hello. Hello. You can hear me now. Hello.
There is a call drop.
Yeah, now is it okay, sir?
Now.
Hello. Hello, is it okay
Please
now?
continue.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So since we have gone global, so what I'd like to know.
Sorry,
what
Mr.
is the-
Modak, we are unable to hear you.
Still, there is a call drop. Hello. Hello. Now you can.
Yes.
Sir, you can hear me.
Yes. Yes, please continue.
Okay, sir. Since we have gone to global, sir, I'd like to know what is the AI technology we are going to adopt so that it can help us in longer periods, sir. Sir, nothing to add more, sir. I'd like to request you one thing, sir. If possible, there is a factory visit, you can please arrange, because I have never seen a paint factory. So if you can please do that. So before I finish, I'd like to definitely thank our company secretary, Mr. Dipankarji, and his whole team for doing a very good investor services to the investors community. Over to you for further proceedings, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Modu.
Madam Bharti Saraf.
Respected Chairman and esteemed board members, my name is Sonakshi Sarangi, a shareholder. Respected Chairman, thank you, Chairman, and the esteemed board members. My name is Bharti Saraf, a shareholder from Kolkata. Due to my ill health, I was not able to join today. I would like to thank you for letting me express my views through this recording. Sir, since our company's performance has been really good, I would like to thank all the stakeholders for this. I have a couple of queries. First of all, what is the company's plan for CAPEX? And secondly, what is company doing with regards to women empowerment? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
CA Abhirup Nandi. Nandi, you are there?
Hello. Yes. Good afternoon to the board, to the key manager person. I am Abhirup Nandi. Am I clearly audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. First of all, thank you for, on behalf of all the shareholders, for giving a fair opportunity to every speaker to express their opinion and conducting such a smooth and transparent AGM. The compliances by Mr. Dipankar De and his team has been very nice. The corporate governance has been strong. There are 5 items as per the notice, and I support all of them. Overall, the performance has been very strong, including the cash flows, and the financial position is also, we are standing quite strong, and I am hoping a better performance, and the management has definitely set up high standards for the shareholders to look forward to. That's all from my side. My best wishes towards health and prosperity to everyone. This is C. Abhirup Nandi signing off. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. J. Abhishek. Mr. Abhishek, you are there?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. First of all, I congratulate the management on the eve of annual general body meeting. Sir, trust all is well with you and your family. In this challenging situation, our company deserves much more respect than the current market cap after completing more than a decade of successful operations, profitability, dividend history, and becoming one of the strongest brands in the respective segment. I would like to know, as of date, how many employees are there in the company? What are the steps being taken by the management to reduce the other expenses, legal professional charges, and the audit fees? I would like to know from you, sir. And myself and my team are running a legal firm with the name and style of Seven Worlds Associates in Chennai. So I would request the management to kindly enroll the firm in the empanelment of the company, and we will be glad to extend our services. So then I would request the management to kindly consider hybrid AGMs in the years to come, sir, because most of the senior citizens are not able to join because of the digital challenges in this virtual platform. So if the management considers hybrid AGMs in the years to come, more number of shareholders can join you in the meeting. You can get the valuable points, suggestions, and ideas that will be helpful for the management to empower in future. So then in the NSDL CDSL platform, if you can provide a link for the inspection of documents like register of members, register of KMP, and register of contracts, if any, if it is updated, shareholders can very well inspect these documents online itself, and they may need not reach out to you at a later stage seeking for all these documents. So if you can just provide these documents online, sir, it will be helpful for the investor fraternity to inspect the documents online itself. So then we are passing 5 resolutions today, and I have voted in favor of all the resolutions for all my 20 folios. And resolution number 4, we have a material related party transaction. If you can just elaborate on the resolution, it will be helpful for the investor fraternity. Sir, and resolution number 5, for payment of commission to non-executive directors, whereas in fact, commission is being paid to the agents who bring business to the company. But here we are paying to non-executive directors. In fact, instead of paying commission, you can modify and increase the part of the remuneration part of the non-executive directors. You may think about it, sir. And what are the steps taken by the management to reduce the contingent liabilities disputes pending with various forums so that we can come out with the disputes and get rid of these cases? And I thank the company secretary and their entire team for conducting the annual general body meeting virtually and making this 30th annual general body meeting a grand success. I would request the management to kindly send your product samples to the shareholders who have participated in this virtual conference and help the management in making the annual general body meeting a grand success, and kindly take care of the hospitality part of the investor fraternity. Sir, there's nothing much to ask, sir. I wish the company and the board of directors a great success and prosperity in the coming future. And thank you for giving the opportunity, sir. Hope to see you in the hybrid AGM next year. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Amit Banerjee. Mr. Banerjee, you're there?
Hello.
Yes, please.
May I audible?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Good afternoon to everyone. Respected chairman of the meeting, other board members present, myself Amit Kumar Banerjee from City of Kolkata. Thank you for getting me connected and opportunity to speak. Such a wonderful meeting today organized by our company, Linc Limited. It is our 30th annual general meeting of the company. As regards the performance is concerned, yes, it is very nice. Good growth, presenting a strong financial growth. Total revenue achieved with a tune around 509 crores of rupees. It is an improved result in comparison with the last year. It was about 490 crores of rupees. Profit after tax, about 34 crores of rupees. EPS 22.93. Yes, we being a shareholders are happy. The dividend is rupees 5. The face value of rupees 10. Yes, another good thing, good point to be noted that the CSR activities is also there. About 39.90 lakhs of rupees spent during this year as visible on the balance sheet. The market price of the shares is 627. Now at present, currently today's quoting. Is there any plan to split of the shares so that we, being a shareholders, could increase our portfolio with a happy mood? So what is the key challenges now at present? For sustainable growth of the company, as we found that the profitability is lower in comparison with the last year. What is the key reasons? In spite of the total revenue is there, the increased and improved result, the revenue on. Sir, what is the research and development cost to sales for the last 2 years? Kindly spare some views. Consider planned visit so that we could see how the infrastructures and others have got it. I hope our company will definitely come up with a higher profitability, transparency at all levels will maintain, and will present better results year ahead. I thank our company secretary, Mr. Dipankar, who is experienced, gradually, very cordial, and not only that, level best try to resolve as and when we require. Thank also to all team members for such a wonderful video conferencing meeting today. Myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee, over to you for further proceedings. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Madam Vandana G, she is the last speaker. Madam, you can continue.
Good morning, sir. I am joint holder, sir.
Yeah.
The chairman, board of directors. I congratulate the management. Hello, sir. I'm audible, sir.
There is a problem in your voice. There is a echo.
Hello. Good afternoon, Chairman, Board of Directors, Secretary, and this team, and my fellow shareholders. So I and my family are proud shareholders of the company from the date of IPO. Not to take away the maximum to shareholders, if not at least rights issue, sir. The only grievance of shareholders is expecting better dividend and appreciation of share price. What are the future expansion plans? How are we going to withstand the tough competition? I wish all great success. I wish our company will touch sky heights. The management with great efforts and hard work have established our company. The share price today is 651 rupees. We are very happy, sir. The corporate governance is wonderful. The turnover and profits have increased. It's a joyous moment for all the shareholders, sir. It is the right time for the company, the management to reward the shareholders, sir. I request the management to conduct the hybrid physical AGM meeting in coming future, sir. I hope the management will not let down the shareholders who are stood behind in thick and thin. I request the management to consider the hospitality part of the shareholder and also the company products as gift to the shareholders, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Was the last speaker.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So, thank you to each one of you for supporting the resolutions and raising your queries. Although many of your queries were addressed in my speech, and even as you know that the annual report is quite elaborate, and a lot of information is provided in the annual report. So still I would like to touch upon a few important queries. So of course, as some of you mentioned, this category or the pen category or even the school stationery or the office stationery category, it is very competitive. So there is no doubt about it. And so this is one of the reasons that it's always a challenge to grow in this competitive scenario. But nevertheless, as you know that, as you have observed, that in last few years, your company has grown, handsomely. And despite all these challenges, we try our best to do a good job by introducing innovative products. And of course, last year, the growth was quite mediocre. But we hope that with the new products which are in pipeline, we should be able to do a better job in this current financial year as well as going forward. Of course, yeah, you know, there is a lot of digitalization overall, but you know, but we see that the pen or a writing instrument is going to coexist despite the rapid digitalization. The reason for lower profit after tax in the FY24 was mainly because I already mentioned in my speech that you know, the growth was much lower than our expectation and projection. So that was one of the reasons, because the fixed costs are you know, there, which are fixed, but because of the lower revenue, you know, the PAT was compromised. We have, you know, of course, as you know that until now, Linc was largely a pen company, a writing instrument company, but we realized that, you know, there was a vast opportunity in the overall stationery, you know, category. So that's why we changed the name, you know, last year from Linc Pen and Plastics Limited to Linc Limited. So it is no more just a pen company, but it is, you know, we are trying to make it a stationery, overall stationery solutions for office and school. And so, as I mentioned in my speech, that we are going to introduce markers like permanent marker, whiteboard marker, and highlighters. We are going to introduce, we already have geometry boxes, but we are going to introduce geometry boxes in under Pentonic brand, which will be quite unique. And then apart from that, we have Pentonic glue stick, which is doing well and growing. So there are, you know, several products which we are, you know, I mean, which are under development. So, you know, as you can see in our annual report, that the market size of global writing instruments is about $22.5 billion, whereas the global stationery market is almost 10 times more than that. So, which is about $192 billion. So it is definitely important for us to also have a stationery range, and we are actively working upon that. So far, the capex is concerned, as we have already, you know, announced that we are building a new factory near Kolkata, which is about a lakh square feet construction, and which will take about a year's time from now. And so once the factory is ready, we will invite our Kolkata shareholders to visit the factory. So kindly have patience until then. And so far the capex, overall capex is concerned, typically if there is no construction, the regular capex is in the range of 20 to 25 crores. And so we are going to continue with that organic capex. Of course, someone mentioned about the raw material price fluctuation, which is definitely a challenge. But fortunately for us, right now, the fluctuation is it is there, but it is not so alarming. And as we introduce products at higher value, we are able to address this challenge. So far, the company's growth in the next couple of years is concerned, we have already mentioned in our annual report that we have a plan of 17 to 20% of a CAGR in next couple of years. And somebody mentioned about the exports. Definitely currently exports are about 20% of our overall revenue, but definitely global market is a huge global market, and our target is that in next 5 years exports should be about 1/3 of our overall revenue. Santosh ji mentioned about the energy audit and safety audit, which we continue to we do it at a regular interval. Somebody also mentioned about the payout ratio of dividend. Yes, we'll it used to be the payout ratio used to be slightly higher, but we took a policy that it would range in the
20%.
about 20%, so that we can conserve some resources for new acquisitions or joint ventures. Of course, as somebody mentioned that how it is going to be many of our peers have also are on are also listed now. So how is it going to affect Linc? Frankly speaking, they were already there in the market, so it's not really going to make much difference to our performance, and I think it is actually better for us. We are now able to know how our peers are doing, so that information is always useful. As I've mentioned about, somebody asked about the contribution of premium range. So right now, of course, we don't have any premium range, but the share of Pentonic, which is 10 rupees and above, price in the price segment of 10 rupees and above, it has about 40% contribution. So, and is going to increase every quarter. Somebody mentioned that some of the Univol products are not available in every shop. So although distribution is always an ongoing process, and we continue to expand our distribution and improve our distribution, but in case you don't find it in in some shops, you can always shop online. And I am glad to inform you that our online sales is increasing, and currently it is about 5% of our domestic sales. On the Kenya business, I've already addressed it in my speech, so nothing much to say on that right now. The brand spend is about 2%, so we try to maintain that brand spend ratio of about 2%. It may vary a little bit, little here and there every year. On digitalization, on the digital initiatives, Rohit will brief you a little bit on our company's digital initiatives.
So on digital and tech initiatives, we changed our ERP system. We upgraded our ERP system actually to SAP S/4HANA. This was in 2022, actually about 2 years ago, and we've come a long way in utilization of this ERP. Even today, we are at about 70 to 75% efficiency, and we are hoping that by end of this year and early next year, we will be increasing the usage of our ERP software. We also are working on a auto replenishment model for most of our domestic sales channels. So this software is basically where we are using some AI tool which automatically increases or decreases the inventory norms and inventory levels based on the sales trend. Also on the sales and CRM softwares, we are already using various applications for the sales team, for retailers, which we are actually pushing and encouraging our retailers to place orders through the apps. This is an initiative which we will be taking up in second half of the year, starting from October. We are also working on distributor DMS. So far, all our super stockists and channel partners are, we have a visibility of their, sales through tally patch on a real-time basis. And we have data of the orders collected from retail outlets. But this year, we have already introduced distributor DMS in about 10 distributors. So we have complete visibility of fulfillment after the orders are collected from the retail shops, and we're going to expand this initiative more in this year. And in about 2 weeks' time, we are also very close to launching a loyalty app for our dealers and distributors. We are calling it, Club Linc. So through this application, all our dealers and distributors are able to track their performance and progress for this financial year, through which they can also see what loyalty points and benefits they become eligible for. And for 2025, next year, a warehouse management system and HRMS, human resource management system applications are under preview to introduce these two new softwares in the company.
Thank you, Rohit. Yes. Mr. Dujari, can you explain about the resolution number 4?
Yeah, the resolution number 4 is to approve the related party transaction with Mitsubishi Pencil Company Limited, Japan. We have related party transaction. We have this transaction with Mitsubishi for since the inception of the company. It's a regular transaction that way because we sell their Uniball products in India and we buy these finished goods from them, and it is always at arm's length. But last year we had a total purchase of 9% from Mitsubishi Pencil Company of our total turnover. So there is a requirement as per law, if the business is in excess of 10%, we have to take an approval of shareholder. Since we were very close to 10%, we had 9% last year. So as a matter of abundant precaution, we are taking this approval so that in case our buying from them exceed 10%, we are not in any sort of legal issue. So that's why we have moved this resolution for approval of the share.
Thank you, Mr. Dujari. Addressing, of course, somebody mentioned that how many employees do we have? Again, this information is available in our annual report, but as a ready reference, we have about 3,200 employees overall, including the off-roll, and out of which about 1,063 employees are on-roll. Somebody mentioned about the bad debts of 54 lakh rupees. So yes, of course, every year, even though our general trade is on advance payment or on immediate payment. The risk of bad debts is very low, and this works out to about 0.1% of our total revenue. So in terms of percentage, it is very small, but of course 54 lakh rupees is also not small. But nevertheless, we are quite always very conscious about such things. So somebody mentioned about the new acquisitions and joint ventures. Of course, we are always eager and looking for such opportunities. So whenever we get any good opportunity, we will definitely like to grab it. So that's it from my side. And thank you once again for your attendance and for your interest. So I thank you all for helping me in smooth conduct of the meeting. There being no other business to transact, I declare the meeting closed. The remote e-voting facility shall remain open for next 15 minutes to enable the members to cast their votes. Jai Hind. Thank you.